It's back to school time, and we are all trying to keep our kids healthy, and who better to help than the docs outside the box. Joining us to discuss are Dr. Garner and Dr. Teekell-Taylor of Docs Outside the Box and Kids Outside the Box. Doctors, welcome to Bloom. It's always so great to see you.
Thank you. We're glad to be here.
Thank you, Gayle. Yeah, it's great to have you. So the new school year is here, and Dr. Lynn, I want to start with you. What are some of the things happening right now at Docs Outside the Box and Kids Outside the Box?
Well, we're in a unique opportunity. We are sort of like the old-time family doctor who used to see the entire family. We see everyone from birth to death. And so we focus on the family unit and the health of the family unit. We sometimes see the whole family all at one time.
Yeah, and I've been to your locations, and I have to say, as a busy parent, being able to handle everything under one roof is just nothing short of incredible, especially when you think of the state of our healthcare system as it is now. So as parents, Dr. Leah, how should we be thinking about the school year?
Well, this is a very stressful time for parents, I have to tell you. Their children are watching as adults behave poorly everywhere they go. They see it in the supermarket, they see it on TV, they see it in the doctor's office, they see it on their cell phones. So we focus on helping parents provide for their children things that will help them thrive in school. Basic family values, good nutrition, discipline in the home, and attending to their children's emotional needs. This whole country, the whole human race, is on a state of overwhelm right now, and children are witnessing a great deal of fight or flight behavior in adults.
They really are, and many kids are suffering in silence because they've got their own set of anxiety, and I agree, people are definitely out of control. So Dr. Lana, how are you helping people cope?
In our clinic, we focus on sort of three aspects of health: the physical health, the emotional health, and the spiritual health. And so with our families, like Leah said, we focus on basic family values. We encourage our families to spend time together, eat dinner together, put the phones down, get to know their children, because the children are going to watch the parents and do exactly what the parents are doing. So if you don't spend that time with the children are going to pick up clues from everyone else in the world, and I want my kid to be like me. Yeah. And so I'm going to be kind and then teach kindness to my child. And that's how we focus on big parts of this aspect.
So true, and that time with our children is so fleeting. Why not sit down for a wonderful dinner together? Dr. Leah, you touched on nutrition a bit. How do you help your patients with nutrition?
Well, we teach the parents to feed their children real food, whole food, and to limit processed foods. Since prehistoric times, our bodies have always needed the same things, and those things just aren't available in the food today. You can't expect a child to go to school and do well and behave if they're not getting their basic needs met. It isn't fair to provide a breakfast that's high sugar, high calorie, and devoid of nutrition and expect that child to go to school and behave in the school. It's also not fair to expect coaches and teachers to discipline the children when we're not doing it at home. So we have to pay so much attention to what the kids get at home.
So, Dr. Leonard, what you're saying is like food matters. It's directly linked to how we learn.
Absolutely.
Oh, absolutely, food matters. It is critical. And we used to say, let food be thy medicine, but we cannot say that this day and age. We do have to teach people how to feed their families and how to supplement when the nutrition is not in the food. Supplementation isn't bogus. We have to teach each family individually what's missing in their diet.
And there's a lot to take in. We know this, parents. So just real quick, what is the one step that folks could do today to just kind of jumpstart this?
We are at our clinic focusing on requesting kindness. We're requesting it of ourselves, we're requesting it of our patients, our employees. So kindness and patience, if we can all get along, we're all going to have a great school year and a great 2023.
You know, the day's gone, except for with you ladies, it seems, with that connectivity that you can have with your doctors. And we really appreciate you offering that here in the Tampa Bay community. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gayle.
And you can call Docs Outside the Box and Kids Outside the Box at 727-498-8898 or visit online at docsoutsidethebox.us. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.